Hello viewer, this is Krishna sir. In this video, I am going to solve the sixth bit of first problem of exercise 2.2 from the NCERT textbook. So let us see the sixth bit of first problem. So like in the earlier problems, in the sixth bit of first problem, we have been given a quadratic polynomial. So we need to find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial and then we need to verify the relationship between the zeros and the quotients of the given polynomial. So let us solve this. So first what I will do is I will compare this given quadratic polynomial with the standard form of the quadratic polynomial. We know that the standard form of the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. So if you compare the given quadratic polynomial with the standard form of the quadratic polynomial, I will get the value of a is equal to 3, the value of b will be equal to minus 1 and the value of c will be equal to minus 4. Now I will find the value of a into c. So a into c is equal to 3 into minus 4. So this is equal to minus 12. Now I will select two factors of minus 12 in such a way that on adding those two factors I should get the value of b. The value of b is minus 1. So when I add the two factors of minus 12 I should get minus 1. So this minus 12 I will write it as equal to minus 4 into 3. So minus 4 into 3 is nothing but equal to minus 12. Now if I add minus 4 and 3, so minus 4 plus 3. So this is equal to minus 1. So when I am adding minus 4 with plus 3, I am getting equal to minus 1, which is nothing but the value of b. Now the given quadratic polynomial can be written as 3x square. So minus x I will write it as plus 3x minus 4x. So see here 3x minus 4x is nothing but minus x. So minus 4 will be remain as it is. So now I will take 3x common. If I take 3x common, I will get x plus 1. So see here 3x into x is nothing but 3x square. 3x into 1 is nothing but 3x. In the same way I will take minus 4 common into x plus 1. So see here minus 4 into x is minus 4x, minus into minus is plus, 4 into 1 is minus 4. So I am getting x plus 1 in both the places. So I can take x plus 1 common. If I take x plus 1 common, I will be left with 3x minus 4. So 3x square minus x minus 4. So this is equal to x plus 1 into 3x minus 4. Now if 3x square minus x minus 4 it is equal to 0, then x plus 1 into 3x minus 4 will be also equal to 0. So if 3x square minus x minus 4 if it is equal to 0, then x plus 1 into 3x minus 4 will be equal to 0. So if x plus 1 is equal to 0, in case if x plus 1 is equal to 0, then on the left side of the equal to sign you have plus 1. If I take this plus 1 to the other side of the equal to sign, it will become minus 1. Then x will be equal to minus 1. So we got one zero of the quadratic polynomial. Now let us find the second zero of the quadratic polynomial. If 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now see here on the left side of the equal to sign I have minus 4. If I take this minus 4 to the other side of the equal to sign, it will become plus 4. Then 3x is equal to 4. So on the left side of the equal to sign I have 3x. 3 is multiplying x. If I take this 3 to the other side of the equal to sign, it will divide. Or I can write x is equal to 4 by 3. So I am getting two zeros of the given polynomial. So the zeros of the given quadratic polynomial are minus 1 comma 4 by 3. So we got the two zeros of the given quadratic polynomial. So we solved the first bit of the given problem. Now we need to verify the relationship between the zeros and the quotients of the given quadratic polynomial. So let us find sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is equal to minus 1 plus 4 by 3. So this is equal to, if I take LCM, I will get minus 3 plus 4 by 3. So this is equal to 1 by 3. So I am getting the sum of zeros is equal to 1 by 3. Now this 1 by 3, I will write it as equal to minus of minus 1 by 3. So minus into minus 1 is nothing but plus 1. So plus 1 I am writing it as minus of minus 1. So what is minus 1? Minus 1 is nothing but the value of b. So this is equal to minus b. The b value is nothing but minus 1. In the denominator I have 3. What is 3? 3 is nothing but the value of a. So minus b by a. So I am getting the sum of zeros as equal to minus b by a. In the same way, product of zeros. Let us find product of zeros is equal to minus 1 into 4 by 3. This is equal to minus 4 by 3. Now, what is minus 4? Minus 4 is nothing but the value of c. So, this is nothing but equal to c by. So, in the denominator you have 3. 3 is nothing but the value of a. So, is equal to c by a. So, I am getting the product of zeros is equal to c by a. So, the sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a and the product of zeros is equal to c by a. So, this verifies the relationship between the zeros and the quotients of the given quadratic polynomial. So, this is how these kind of problems should be solved.